Shweta Khemnani. I am back again with the next video, grade 5 subject EVS. Here in this video we are going to continue with our unit 5, that is seed and seed. Yes, we have already made two parts of this. What we have discussed in the last two parts, that was why to soak the seeds. हमें seeds को soak क्यों करना पड़ता है, and yes, we have learned about the different kind of uses of the seeds. Yes, I told you we can eat some seeds directly, we can consume them directly. Some we are planting and then we are growing a plant or a tree. Some we are using as a fruits and vegetables, and yes, some we are using by cooking. हम लोग काफी सारे seeds को soak करते हैं पानी में and then we are cooking them. This topic we have learned, and yes, we have learned about the sprouts also. How the seeds are turning in a sprouts. Moong, chana, rajma, chia pea. How we can turn them as a sprouts, that we have learned it. Now today we are going to start with a very new topic, that is how to grow a plant. अब हमारे पास seed तो है. Suppose I have the seeds. But how can I grow a plant? For that, which material I need? So for that, here is one process that we have to follow. The first thing is clay pot or a plastic container with a wide mouth. Wide mouth का मतलब क्या है? देखो बेटा, like this. The shape should be like this. जो उसका नीचे का part है, that should be narrow, but the upper part should be broad. This is a picture of the plant pot. हम इसको क्या बोल सकते हैं? Plant pot. यानी हम लोग plants grow करने के लिए ये pot का use करते हैं. Let me show you the photo of clay pot and plastic container. Clay pot is the which is made of sand or soil. वो soil और sand का बना हुआ होता है, most probably of red soil or maybe of brown color, right? So here is a picture of clay pot and one more picture of plastic container. Nowadays persons are also focusing on the plastic container. Plastic के containers में भी काफी सारे लोग focus करते हैं. They are trying to grow the plants in plastic container. That is also the good conductor. Now here we have to collect a clay pot or a plastic container with a wide mouth, like this I told you, with a wide mouth, and then small hole at the bottom. What we have to do? We have to make a small hole here at the bottom. Then fill it with soil. Then we have to fill it with the proper soil. हमें इसे किसके साथ fill कर देना है? This is a soil. Okay, I have filled it with soil. Now 4 or 5 seeds of same kind. Same kind it means एक ही तरीके के. Suppose I want to grow sesame. It means तिल. अगर मुझे तिल का plant grow करना है तो तिल. The all kinds of seeds will be of til. 4 or 5 seeds I have to take. I can take सरसों के seeds also. जैसे कि हम बोलते हैं ना, coriander का भी leaf ले सकते हैं, सरसों leaf, sesame यानी तिल का भी plant seeds ले सकते हैं. Likewise we have to take so 4 or 5 seeds of any same kind. So these are the small seeds. I have taken around 5 seeds. So this is the seeds. Now next, press them gently in the soil. See, when I have put my soil seeds, they were up. जो मैंने seeds डाले थे वो ऊपर थे, लेकिन मैंने क्या किया, मुझे उनको क्या करना है? I have to push them gently with my hand under the soil. मुझे उनको push करके soil के अंदर डालना है. See, likewise I can push it. जैसे ही मैं पुश करूंगी, my seeds will go down. कहाँ चले जाएंगे मेरे seeds? उस soil के अंदर चले जाएंगे. So this is the thing that we have to do. Then for adequate, it means necessary. What is the meaning of adequate? It means necessary. The amount which this plant needs to grow properly, that amount of water I will pour in. मैं क्या करूँगी? इसके अंदर उतना पानी डालूंगी जितना इस plant को grow होने के लिए जरूरत पड़ेगी. So this is the process how I can plant a tree. Okay, so now we have done our process. We have planted around 4-5 seeds in the clay pot or maybe plastic container. Let's take the example of clay pot. I have planted around 4 to 5 seeds of sesame under the clay pot. Now what will be the situation? The seed germinates to produce a seedling. What is the meaning of germinate? It means हम इसको बोल सकते हैं the process of germination. When your plant, your seed will come out from the soil, that is called as the germination. Let me show you the proper drawing. See, suppose this is your plant. Okay, here are your seeds and here is the soil. Likewise we have drawn it. So this is my seeds. So when my seeds will come out slowly like this, जब वो मेरे seeds मेरी soil में से बाहर आएंगे and they will be able to look out from my pot, जब मेरे clay pot में से मुझे मेरा ये जो part है, जो stem है मेरी seed का, that when I will be able to see, that is the process is called as the germinates. So the seed germinates to produce a seedling. सबसे पहले process क्या होता है? The seed will germinate. It means the seed will come out from the pot and it will turn to a seedling. It will turn to a seedling. It means एक छोटा सा पौधा आपको दिखाई देगा seed. Likewise you will be able to see. I'll show you the photograph also. One small stem, one small branch, and with that one small two leaves will be there. Then the seedling absorb the water and nutrients. Yes, ये जो seed है जो मेरे plant के अंदर बैठा है, उस plant के अंदर भी उसको proper amount of nutrients वो सब कुछ मिलना चाहिए, right? So in that pot also, with whichever nutrients and water is available under the pot, that my seedling will absorb. So what will happen? What will happen here? मेरा जो seedling है जो इतना सा grow हुआ था, that will absorb the nutrients from the soil and water also. It will absorb water और nutrients जो भी उस soil में available होते हैं वो absorb करना start कर लेगा, and on the next day again the process will change and my seedling will grow more. उसके बाद उसके ऊपर और भी leaves create होना start हो जाएंगे. So this will be the condition day by day. This leaves, the seedling will turn to a plant, then short plant, then comes to a big plant. फिर वो क्या turn out हो जाएगा? Big plants. What they have done? The seedling absorbs the water and nutrients from the ground and grows into a big plant. फिर वो आगे चल के क्या बन जाएगा? एक पूरा big plant बन जाएगा, which is growing from my pot. जो मेरे pot में से ही grow हुआ है, right? From my pot only it is grown, but it will be big. Why? Because I have given the proper amount of water, and yes, nutrients it is getting from the soil. And yes, what other things a plant needs to grow? Only water and nutrients? No. Air, water, sunlight and the proper amount of soil. It means उनको proper amount of soil भी मिलनी चाहिए. Then only the process will go properly. Here I will show you the photograph how the plant is growing. See, this is a photo of plant. How it shows germinate होता है सबसे पहले. The seed will come out from the pot. Then it will turn to a seedling. वो एक छोटा सा seedling बन जाएगा. Then it will turn to a small plant with 2-3 leaves. Then on the next day, after 2-3 days again it will turn to a big plant. वो एक बड़ा सा plant बन जाएगा with 1-2 branches also and around 5-10 leaves also will be available on the plant. Are you able to see the picture? This is the proper process of how a small seedling is turning to a small plant, then big plant. This is the proper process for that. Okay. So here what we have learned, how the plant is growing clearly. Okay. Now we will learn about some hunter plants. Okay. So let's start that. So now let's start with the new topic, and that is hunter plants. Maybe the question arises, ma'am, plants are hunting. What is the meaning of hunt? Hunt, it means to trap someone or to eat someone. किसी को पकड़ के खा लेना. That is called the hunt. Or like maybe you have heard the word about hunter, right? Hunters, what they are doing? They are killing the other animals and birds. So hunt also, it seems like किसी को trap कर लेना, to catch someone and to eat someone. So there are some plants who are hunting also, जो hunt करते हैं different kind of insects and yes, frogs also. काफी छोटे छोटे frogs and animals भी उसमें included होते हैं, which are hunted by the plants. So let's learn in detail. Some plants which trap and eat mice, frogs, ants and small insects also. There are some plants who are able to eat trap. First of all, trap. What is the meaning of trap? Trap, it means पकड़ लेना, किसी को अपनी तरफ attract करना and then to catch them. That is the meaning of trap. So they are trapping and eating mice, frogs, ants and small insects. They are able to eat small kind of ants. Frogs को भी वो पकड़ लेते हैं अपने mouth में and they are eating that frogs, small insects also. So how it happens? The pitcher plant is one such plant. Pitcher plant is one kind of such plant. Let me show you the photograph of pitcher plant. This is a picture of pitcher plant. Here, according to the situation, you can see कि उसका जो shape है, it is looking like a, कि वो एक छोटा सा plant है, but the mouth is covered with leaf. उसका जो माउथ है वो लीफ के साथ कवर्ड है, एंड व्हेनेवर एनी इंसेक्ट और एनी फ्रॉग और समवन इज कमिंग नियर बाय द प्लांट, he directly opens the leaves the mouth, वो अपना माउथ ओपन करते हैं and they are trapping, वो फटाफट से उनको ट्रैप कर लेते हैं. Likewise this is the process of picture plant, how to hunt the other insects and ants. So are you able to see the picture? क्या दिख रहा है इस फोटो में आपको? How the picture plant is trying to attract, वो कैसे ही इंसेक्ट्स को अट्रैक्ट करते हैं अपनी तरफ, एंड whenever the insects will land on their mouth, जैसे ही वो इंसेक्ट्स उनके माउथ पर आते हैं, they are trying to trap them, वो उनको फटाफट से पकड़ लेते हैं. ओके, सो here the plant has a special smell which attracts insects, right? This kind of plants is having the special kind of smell, special kind of fragrance, उनकी स्मेल इतनी अट्रैक्टिव होती है, and that is very unique. The insects, the ants, even the frogs also get trapped. उस स्मेल में वो सारे सब कुछ अट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं, frogs, insects, and they are trying to come to that plant. When insects land on the mouth, it gets trapped and cannot come out. जैसे ही वो insects उनके माउथ पर बैठते हैं, like suppose this is the plant, okay, जैसे ही वो उनके ऊपर आकर बैठते हैं, उनका माउथ ओपन होता है, राइट? ओके, सो दिस इज द ओपन माउथ. जैसे ही वहां पर आकर एक छोटा सा इंसेक्ट बैठा, दे विल क्लोज देयर माउथ, दे विल ट्रैप इट, और वो माउथ को क्लोज कर देंगे. इट मींस वो जो इंसेक्ट है वो बेचारा फंस जाएगा उनके माउथ में. ओके, सो हियर इंसेक्ट्स आर आल्सो ट्रैप्ड बाय द प्लांट्स. दिस इज कॉल्ड द हंटर प्लांट. क्लियर? We know that what the things the plant needs to grow: air, water, sunlight and soil. But these are the plants which needs also the other animals to eat. वो खाने के लिए दूसरे एनिमल्स का यूज करते हैं. इंसेक्ट्स दे आर यूजिंग टू ग्रो इट प्रॉपरली. whenever they are eating the other insects or small kind of frogs, they are getting more growth in their body. उनके जो प्लांट है, उनकी जो स्टेम है, वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे से ग्रो होने लगती है whenever they are getting proper frogs, insects to eat. So that is the reason why they need the insects and frogs to eat, because that is increasing their growth. That's why these plants are called as the hunter plant. Okay, so today which topic we have covered, that is hunter plant. It means the picture plant के बारे में हमने आज समझा, why they are hunting to the other insect. Okay, and the first we have learned about how to grow a plant. Okay, so this is the part 3 for the unit 5. In the next topic we will continue with the next. Okay, thank you.